Yeah, brother. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, I'm a citizen, but I would like to find out if I could know the exact date when I become a citizen. Is it possible to find out when?
Yeah, you can do what's called the Freedom of Information Act request, and it's a FOIA. You can download the form from uscis.gov, and where it says the specific documentation that you want to request, you can request copies of your citizenship application and copies of the information from when you swore into that of a citizen. They'll send you that specific information, those documents that are in your file, and you'll be able to pull that date from those documents. You can also look on your naturalization certificate unless you lost it.
I'm not sure what that is. I have a passport, but I'm not sure where that is.
Right. Okay. So then you do what's called the Freedom of Information Act request, or you can apply for a duplicate copy of your naturalization certificate. That costs money though, in terms of a filing fee. The FOIA is free. Freedom of Information Act request is free.
Okay, bro. Thank you.
Thank you. Wayne, how are you?
Hi, good afternoon. Yeah, my question is, I was married since 2010
Right.
to a U.S. citizen. I am 3 years now since I become a permanent resident. We decided we're going to separate, and I had wanted to do my citizenship. Is that going to jeopardize my eligibility?
Yes, because now you have to wait 5 years from the time you got your green card instead of 3. Because when you file your citizenship, you got to show you and your spouse are living together in a bona fide marriage. So if you're separated, then even though it was bona fide, you're no longer living together.
All right,
So
thank
you
you.
just wait the 5 years, okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Shanette?
Hi, Brad. Good evening. How are
Good evening. How are you?
I'm okay.
What's up?
Quick question.
Mm-hmm.
I got a friend. He's been here for almost 8 years.
Mm-hmm.
He came on a visa. He don't have no child in America. He never get into no trouble. What you can do for him?
What can I do for him? Well,
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know. I mean, I guess he would have to come in for a consultation. He came here on a visa, overstayed. You know, he's going to have to get sponsored by family, get sponsored in a job. It's going to be one of those, type of deals. There's no one answer that, yes, for a person who's still overstayed 8 years, this is it. He would need to have a consultation, and we'll figure out what we can do for him. I don't know off the top of my head.
Okay, another thing.
Yeah.
The NYC ID that you can apply for.
Yes.
Can it help you to get a job or?
No. Let me tell you what the NYC ID is. All right. You know what? I should have said something to Bill de Blasio today, giving him my opinion on the NYC ID, but I didn't. I met him at Starbucks today.
Okay.
I'll give you my opinion on it. It doesn't do anything for you other than give you an ID, but it's really no benefit to you. Let me tell you what it does. Okay, it allows you to open up a bank account, but you can use your passport to open up a bank account. It allows you to take out a book on the library, but now everything's online. So what do you even need to go to a library for? It allows you to get a discount at the Central Park Zoo. Big deal. Okay, like at different zoos and parks. I personally, whatever benefits you're going to get are outweighed by the fact that the only people who are going to get this ID are people who are out of status. So as soon as you show the ID, you're saying, "Hi, I'm a legal alien."
Okay.
So to me, I don't see why somebody would want to advertise that they're here out of status. It's nobody's business. Now, I will tell you the one benefit. That you could argue why it would be good. Okay. If you get stopped by a cop for a quality of life crime, you jump the turnstile, you take a pee on the side, the corner of a building, and they stop you, and they want to give you a desk appearance ticket. If you have that ID, they can give you a desk appearance ticket, and they won't arrest you for quality of life crimes. Dumb stuff. Okay, and you can show the ID. It's the only reason. Okay, just to avoid an arrest for a dumb quality of life stop by a cop. But short of that, to me, there's absolutely no reason that it's helpful to you.
Okay, one last question.
Yeah.
How do you go about getting a tax ID number?
You file a tax return, and then you attach a W-7 form to your tax return, and they'll issue you a tax ID number.
Okay. And suppose you don't have like a social security to file the tax.
You attach. That's why you attach the W-7.
Oh, okay.
All right.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.